Hi, I'm McKenna. I'm the Summer Reading Club coordinator, and I have our take-home craft for the Olympics, which is called a windsock, but it's sort of like a kite that you would hang up so that it can hang from a tree or outside of your house, and when the wind catches it, it will float in the breeze. So it has the Olympic rings on it and then all the colors at the bottom. So we do have limited quantities at the library right now, but if you would like to pick some up, when you come to pick them up, you will get a little bag, and inside of the bag you will get the piece of paper to form your tube or your windsock. And you can color in the Olympic rings first. That's what I would start by doing. And then after you have the Olympic rings colored in, I would then glue your streamers on the inside onto the bottom, on the inside of the windsock. And then I space mine out. And then after that, you can tape it or glue it together at the back. Make sure it doesn't overlap too much, or else you'll lose some of the circular shape of it. It will become too small. And then afterwards, I taped in my piece of string to hang it. And I did that afterwards so that I would know where exactly to tape it. But you could also put hole punches in and then just tie it through and then hang it from a tree or a post in your front yard, wherever you want. And whenever the breeze catches it, it will look so cool. And you'll be able to sport your Olympic windsock, as it's called. So I hope that some of you will come pick it up. It was really fun to make, and I can't wait to see all of them.